Na SBT we dey operate now, and as you take get light na you go take pay. Na BEDC na im talk this one. Benin Electricity Distribution Company (BEDC) don talk on top the new tariff wey dem dey operate, wey dem call Service-Based Tariff (SBT). Dem yarn say na as light take dey na customers go take pay. The executive director for BEDC, Abu Ejo, na im talk this one for media engagement wey dem do for their head office for Benin City. He talk say this new tariff wey dem begin operate since September 1 go affect only the people wey dey get light for 12 to 20 hours, as the ones wey dey get less than 12 hours light go continue with the old tariff till the end of this year.
What I'm trying to make is that customers have been kind of grouped into different bands, depending on the number of hours they receive on a daily basis. And that forms the basis of the new tariff rates. Only we have bands A to E. For band A, we are referring to customers that have hours of availability of power supply between 20 and 24 hours. For band B, we are looking at those that enjoy between 16 hours to 20 hours of power supply. For band C, we are looking at those that enjoy power supply between hours of 12 and 16. While for D, we are looking at the minimum of 8 hours up to 12 hours. And band A, minimum of 4 hours up to 8 hours. The new tariff also provides that customers can move to upper bands of more power availability as the quality of service improves and accordingly pay appropriate rates.
Ejo talk say for the new service rates, customers go dey for different bands. Band A go get 20 hours light, band B own go get 16 hours light, band C 12 hours light, band D 8 hours light, and band E 4 hours light. He still talk say customers go fit upgrade go bands where they get more hours of light. Una go sabi say states wey dey under BEDC na Edo, Delta, Ekiti and Ondo states. Ejo assure all these customers of improved services wey go help them fit dey receive more hours of light.
We are saying that only those that enjoy power supply from 12 hours and above will be affected by this increase. And for those that currently enjoy lesser than that hours of supply, their tariff in the case table is frozen. So they will continue to pay for their current or existing tariff rate. So they are not going to pay for new rate up to the end of this year. And we also said that as customers enjoy improvement in service, as they move from one band to a lower band to an upper band, and they enjoy that minimum service in that new band, they will pay the new rate.
First, and more importantly, it is a regime whereby they are going to enjoy improved services in a few ways. First, the services is going to be based on the number of hours of supply that they will enjoy in their location. And for those that are presently having less than 12 hours supply, there's a respite for now. They are not paying the new rates. They will still be paying the old rates for now.
Dem still do question and answer segment for the media engagement session.
The Minister of Power, Mr. Salim Ahmad, came out and told Nigerians that the service tariff will not take effect. There will be no tariff increase until the discos improve on their service delivery, meet our customers, and then communicate, agree with customers on the new rates.
So what this tariff tends to do is also to incentivize disco to improve performance. And that's why the way it is structured is such that only customers that enjoy over 12 hours are affected. And so if the disco wants customers in lower band to be affected, then the discos will go and improve the power supply in those areas. There are some some states whereby the bulk of the customers fall between D and C, D and E. And what that means is that you cannot charge a new tariff.
This service-based tariff, will it take care in case there's any challenge of transformer in a particular community? The BEDC will supply them transformer under this tariff.
It's our duty to provide transformer, but in most cases, customers are impatient. They don't want to go through the process. There are processes to change transformer. If your transformer is faulty, and you'll be paying your bill, believe me, transformer will be changed maybe.
This one and the ogbonge informate wey carry come give una on top inside the door today. As BEDC don chook mouth put on top the new tariff wey dem call service-based tariff, wey dem take talk say na the number of hours wey customers take get light na im dem go take pay for the light. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge informate dey come give una. My name na Edororo Edoleye from Benin.